Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Nerds channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix YouTube video upload problem. If you are facing issue uploading videos to YouTube from your phone and encountering a waiting for Wi-Fi problem, there could be several reasons behind it. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First of all, check internet connection. Ensure that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has a reliable mobile data connection. A slow or unstable connection may lead to upload issue. Restart your phone. Sometimes simply restarting your phone can resolve temporary glitches. Restart your device and try uploading the video again. And update YouTube app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for YouTube app. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube app installed on your phone. Outdated apps may have bugs that can cause upload problems. And clear YouTube app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps and tap on manage apps. Here you can search for YouTube app. In app info of YouTube, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. Check video formats and size. Ensure that the video you are trying to upload in a supported format, commonly MP4, and meets YouTube upload requirements. Large video files may take longer to upload and some connection may have limitation on file size. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.